Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will explain how to make pasta in one pan. First, select a large, wide pan that can comfortably hold all your ingredients. Next, choose your preferred pasta shape. Long or short pasta works well. Finally, gather your liquid such as broth or water, along with any aromatics like garlic and onions and your desired seasonings. Now let's combine everything. Place your dry pasta directly into the pan. Pour in enough liquid like water or vegetable broth to just cover the pasta. This is crucial for proper cooking. Then, add your chosen vegetables, fresh herbs, and spices. Think about adding cherry tomatoes, spinach, or a pinch of red pepper flakes for extra zest. Time to cook. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to medium and stir frequently. This prevents the pasta from clumping and ensures even cooking. Continue cooking for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, or until most of the liquid has been absorbed and the pasta is perfectly al dente. Almost done. Once your pasta is tender and the sauce has thickened, remove the pan from the heat. Now, for the finishing touches. Stir in some grated Parmesan cheese, a handful of fresh basil, or a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Serve your delicious one-pan pasta immediately for a quick and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.